The Jamaican Coat of Arms is a symbol of the nation's history, culture, and aspirations. It consists of several key elements, each carrying its own significance. Taino warrior and Arawak woman. At the center of the coat of arms are two figures representing Jamaica's indigenous peoples, the Tainos and Arawaks. The Taino warrior symbolizes strength, bravery, and resilience, while the Arawak woman represents nurturing, wisdom, and the foundational role of women in Jamaican society. Shield. The shield is divided into 4 quarters, each containing a symbol. Pineapple. This tropical fruit symbolizes hospitality, warmth, and the island's agricultural abundance. Red crosses. These represent the island's historical ties to England, a reminder of Jamaica's colonial past. Crocodile. Depicted in profile, the crocodile represents the indigenous wildlife of Jamaica, as well as its natural resources and biodiversity. Helmet. Above the shield sits a Jamaican helmet, denoting sovereignty and protection. Mantling. The decorative mantling surrounding the helmet is composed of palm leaves, sugarcane, and bananas, representing Jamaica's tropical climate and its agricultural wealth. Supporters. On either side of the shield stand a Taino man and an Arawak woman, holding a banner with the national motto, "Out of many, one people." This motto reflects Jamaica's multicultural society and the unity that arises from diversity. The Jamaican coat of arms encapsulates the country's rich history, cultural heritage, and natural beauty. It serves as a symbol of national pride, resilience, and the enduring spirit of the Jamaican people.